Hello students, today we are going to do noun and its kind. Students, I have already told you in the previous video that noun is a name of person, place or thing. Person, place or thing. When we are talking about thing, things mean anything we can think of, whether they can be touched, whether they can be seen. If they cannot be seen, if they cannot be touched, even then they are things. Things are whatever we can think of. So noun is a name of, these are naming words. Noun is a name of person, place or thing. And in thing you can also talk about action, state and quality. So there are, first you will have to keep in your mind just two types of classification. That is, nouns are of two types. Number one is concrete noun and number two is abstract noun. Concrete mean that we can touch, that we can see, that occupy space. Everything in this room, this whiteboard, this cupboard, these walls, we can touch them. This duster, we can touch it, it occupies space and we can see that this is a duster. So concrete noun, touch, see, occupy space. These three things are to be kept in your mind. And number two is abstract noun. Abstract noun, that cannot be seen, that cannot be touched. Abstract noun is just the concept of mind. We can think of it, anything that we can think of. So this is concept of mind. Concrete nouns are of four types. Number one is proper noun. What is proper noun? Proper noun means particular. Proper noun is a name of particular person, place and thing. Particular person, Vivek, Rohit, Rajesh, Ravi. Place, particular person, anyone, person, Reena, Ravina, any. Place, Hamirpur, Kangra, Shimla, Sirmaur, Solan. Then you can also name some villages. Then countries, India, China, England. Then cities, London, Delhi, Mumbai, Kerala. These are the places. These names are one's own. One's own. They belong to themselves only. Proper noun, for example, we are saying Hamirpur. You will say no. Proper noun is only one. No. You will say there is Hamirpur in Himachal Pradesh, then there is Hamirpur in Uttar Pradesh. But dear students, they are different. Geographically, Hamirpur of Himachal Pradesh is different. Their names may be same, but they are different. Their names, I am Vinod, but there is only one Vinod in the whole world. Other Vinods may be there, but that is their name. They are not just like me. They may be of the same age, but their name is same. Their sometimes blood group may be same, but they are different to some extent. So proper noun, particular person, place or thing. Then we have common noun. इससे पहले let me tell you why I am doing these nouns. You will say नाउन करना कोई जरूरी नहीं है, क्योंकि नाउन जो है ये तो 6th 7th क्लास की बात है. लेकिन स्टूडेंट्स, nouns are very important because in common errors you must know about different kinds of nouns. When you are doing articles, you will never learn articles until or unless you know about noun. Why? because when we are saying no article is used before material noun, no article is used before proper noun. You cannot say the Rohit is my best friend, the Reena is my best friend. No, I'll say the is not used before proper noun. Then you will ask what is proper noun. So you must keep in your mind what is proper noun. Common noun is a name given in common to every person or thing of same kind. A name given in common to every person or thing of same class and kind. These are shared by all. Common nouns are shared by all. That name may be given to me, that name may be given to another person and another person. So common means common, shared by all. For example, Reena, Meena, Ravina, Krishma, these are 4 names. They are proper names. What is common name for them? Common name is girl, woman. Okay? Girl, woman. Then we have, suppose I am saying Ravi, Rohit, Rajesh, Vinod, Vansh. They are proper nouns. But what is common about them? They are boys. So boy is common name. Ravi is a boy, Rohit is a boy, Vinod is a boy, Vansh is a boy. So this is boy. Then we can say man. Again, for Rohit and Reena, we have a common name. What? Student, friend. Rohit is my friend, Reena is my friend. So friend is common. We can use friend for both Ravi as well as Reena, Rohit, whatever. And common noun is student. Okay. Then we have collective noun. Collective comes from collection, group. Collective noun is a name of number of person, collection taken as a whole. Number of person or things taken together and spoken of as one whole. They are not taken individually. They are taken as a whole, as a group. For example, there are so many number of students. Collective noun will be class. Group of soldiers is army. Group of judges is jury. Group of members is committee. Okay. Group of players. There are 11 players in cricket team. Okay. Team is a group of players. So these are class, jury, committee, army. These are the collective nouns. Okay. Then we have flight, flock. Flight is group of birds flying together. Flock is group of sheep. Okay. Sheep doesn't have plural. Sheeps, we don't say sheeps, we say flock of sheep. Okay. Collective noun. Then we have material noun. Material noun, actually it falls in the category of common noun. This is also a type of common noun. But all those names of matter or material of which things are made, all those things, name of materials, matter, material of which things are made, जिससे आगे कोई और चीज बनती है, उस मटेरियल को हम क्या बोलेंगे? मटेरियल नाउन. कैसे? वुड, गोल्ड, सिल्वर, ग्लास, आयरन, स्टील, water. Then we have flour, rice, cereals. All these things are material nouns. Milk, these are material nouns. They are name of matter of which other things are made. So these were 4 types of concrete nouns. 4 types of concrete nouns. And fifth one is abstract noun. What is abstract noun? Here we have abstract noun. Okay, this abstract noun, abstract, we cannot touch it, we cannot see it. This is just concept of mind. And abstract noun is a noun that is name of quality, action or state. State, not state Himachal Pradesh, Punjab. State mean in what state one is, जिसको आप हिंदी में बोलते हो अवस्था, किस अवस्था में है, किस पोजीशन में है. नेम, क्वालिटी, एक्शन और स्टेट के नाम को एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन बोलेंगे. मैं एक बार फिर रिपीट कर देता हूं. प्रॉपर नाउन पर्टिकुलर पर्सन, प्लेस और थिंग का नाम हो गया. कॉमन नाउन कॉमन नेम किसी को दे दिया. कलेक्टिव नाउन एक ग्रुप को नाम दे दिया. और एब्स्ट्रैक्ट मटेरियल नाउन किसी मैटर को जिससे कोई आगे और चीज बनती है. और एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन इज नेम ऑफ क्वालिटी, एक्शन और स्टेट. ओके, देन वन मोर थिंग, बिसाइड्स क्वालिटी, एक्शन और स्टेट, नेम्स ऑफ आर्ट, साइंसेस, गेम्स, languages, they are also abstract noun. For example, quality, kindness is quality, goodness is quality, darkness is quality. Okay, brightness is quality, whiteness is quality. Then we have action. Action is movement, then judgment, then hatred. Then we have state, boyhood, youth, slavery, sleep, death, life. These are state. Boyhood, youth, slavery, sleep. These are the states. Sleep. He was in deep sleep. He was in deep sleep. किस अवस्था में था? स्लीप की अवस्था में, नींद की अवस्था में. सो क्वालिटी, एक्शन, स्टेट. ठीक है. So abstract noun is concept of mind considered apart from the object to which it belongs. वो apart from the object to which it belongs. इसमें आगे क्वालिटी, एक्शन और स्टेट इसमें आ जाएंगे. ठीक है. तो अब मैं आपको ये बताता हूं कि जो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन है, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन कौन कौन से बताया आपने? क्वालिटी. अब जरा पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच पर एक थोड़ा पीछे मूव कीजिए. लास्ट वीडियो वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच. वी स्टडीड एडजेक्टिव्स. एडजेक्टिव्स, अ वर्ड दैट क्वालिफाइज अ नाउन और प्रोनाउन. जो किसी क्वालिटी को बताता है, गुण को बताता है, वो क्या होता है? एडजेक्टिव होता है. तो अब जो क्वालिटी वाले जो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन है, क्वालिटी, हाउ वी विल फॉर्म एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन? एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स आर फॉर्म्ड फ्रॉम एडजेक्टिव्स. एडजेक्टिव्स से हम एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन बनाएंगे. कैसे? एडजेक्टिव्स क्या है? काइंड है. ठीक है. एडजेक्टिव क्या है? काइंड है, ऑनेस्ट है, देन डार्क है. ठीक है. ब्राइट है. दीज आर द एडजेक्टिव्स. आप क्या बोलते हैं? ही इज अ काइंड बॉय, ही इज एन ऑनेस्ट बॉय, इट इज अ डार्क नाइट, दिस इज अ ब्राइट साइड ऑफ लाइफ. सो These are adjectives. इनसे एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन कैसे बनेंगे? काइंड, काइंडनेस, ऑनेस्ट, ऑनेस्टी, डार्क से डार्कनेस और ब्राइट से ब्राइटनेस. सो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन शोइंग क्वालिटी आर फॉर्म्ड फ्रॉम एडजेक्टिव्स. ऑनेस्ट से ऑनेस्टी, डार्क से डार्कनेस, ब्राइट से ब्राइटनेस. ओके. देन वी हैव Then we have common nouns. Some abstract nouns are formed from common nouns. Common nouns क्या था? Child common noun है, boy common noun, girl common noun, woman common noun. Okay, adult common noun. Now we will form abstract nouns from this. Child, childhood. Child is common noun. Sunny is a child. Renu is a child. But उनसे क्या बन गया? Childhood. Boy, boyhood. Girlhood. Womanhood. Adulthood. Okay, these are the slave, slavery. This is common noun and slavery is abstract noun. Okay, then we have verbs. We also form abstract nouns from verbs. How? Live, laugh, these. Live, laugh, die, live, life, laugh, laughter, die, death. Okay, these are live. Then grow is a verb. Live, lived, lived, laugh, laughed, laughed, died, 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 grow, grew, grown. These are the three forms of the verb can be made from verb. So we have life, laughter, death and growth. These are the abstract nouns formed from common nouns. Okay, then I was talking about names of arts, music, okay, then painting. These are also abstract nouns. Okay, then we have sciences, physics, chemistry, biology, and then we have languages, English, French, Sanskrit, Hindi. These are also abstract nouns. Arts, sciences, languages. Then games, cricket, football, etc. So volleyball, basketball. These are the all 5 kinds of nouns. So we have proper noun. First we will classify them on the basis of concrete and abstract noun. 2 types of noun. Then concrete nouns are 4 types of nouns. Number 1, proper noun. Then we have common noun. Then we have collective noun. And then we have material noun. These are, and last one is abstract noun, that is notion of mind only. These are the 5 kinds of nouns. And you must study them well, because without them you will not learn articles. Very important topic, article. I'll cover in my next video articles, because in every type of examination, right from +1, 9th, 10th, +1, 8th, I will say right from 6th class, right from first class rather, we have to know all about articles. Okay students, I hope you enjoyed the video, you enjoyed the topic. Thank you.